Dun, 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 dun. Attack Shark. This is the Attack Shark 86, and we're going to take a look at this one today. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, so be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So the Attack Shark X86. This is a mechanical keyboard, and it's made out of pure CNC'd aluminum, which is very, very cool. It's wired 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth. That's right, this is another completely wireless keyboard here, and it's completely backlit as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it, because I am stoked to see this one. Ooh, here we go. Oh, it's heavy. Alright, so we've got some accessories here. Let's go ahead and put this aside. Alright, so we've got the X86 accessories here. This is a quick start guide with all the information you're going to need to change the various modes, how to pair with Bluetooth, how to change the RGB modes and all that stuff. That's all in here. We've got a larger user guide to go over all the details as well. And then what do we have in the accessories box? This should be interesting. All right, so we've got some replacement switches here. We've got 2 replacement switches. We've got a key puller and a keycap puller, and we have a USB-C charger here, USB-A to USB-C right there. And now let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Oh, this is so heavy, it's straight up aluminum. Alright, so we're gonna pull this out, and oh, that sounds great. That's a really, put it in front of the mic, that's a nice sounding keyboard. We've got a nice peel on the back because this is all aluminum, so let's go ahead and peel this off. Yeah. That's nice. And it's got a mirror finish on the back. You can even see all the stuff I'm recording and everything. Now, if we take a look at the back here, we have a USB-C connector. We have our toggle for the different modes. And then we have an actual adapter here. So if I pull that out, it's a USB 2.4 gigahertz adapter. And it has a nice little slot right here for it. The knob has a clickable button, and it's rotatable as well, and this is aluminum as well. This is all aluminum except for the keys themselves. Really, really nice to see. What do you think? Is this going to be on your Christmas list? Let me know in the comment section below. I think it's really awesome. It's even got a nice little, I don't know if you could see it, it has a nice sparkle to the metal. That's really, really cool, and I love the color on this as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out the Attack Shark 86. I'll put the link to this in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Yeah, hit the deck, he's the quickest in the West. Cycle the reps, he is simply the best. MikeTheTech, the architect. That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect.